Welcome to the midweek special do-it-yourself survival with the Cold Steel SRK and the ESEE accessories pouch. And we're going to combine that with the SRK knife sheath, which is behind you guys right now. So yeah, glad to have you guys back. And I bought this pouch on Amazon, I think for $21. And I've searched high and low for accessory pouches to go on sheaths, especially sheaths that I have, knife sheaths. And I really wanted one because I like the idea of it, because you can put a sharpening stone in it, you can put your little survival fire kit in it, and you have it all right here on your sheath on your hip. And so I found this ESEE is the one that I came across that I really liked. So I ordered that, and we're going to fit it on the Kydex sheath here, because this accessory pouch is not made for any other knives sheaths but the ESEE brand sheaths, and there's certain ESEE knife sheaths that it fits on, I guess. So I was reading the dimensions and all that stuff on it, and I measured my Kydex sheath that I have, and it should work. And so I gambled and took a gamble and tried it out, and it worked. So yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how to put this ESEE accessory pouch on to a Cold Steel SRK Kydex sheath. And this is the small pouch, this isn't the large one, so keep that in mind. Alright, so let's get down here and let's get it put on. Okay, so here is the SRK Cold Steel SRK at that, and here is the ESEE pouch that we are going to attach to the sheath. So first things first, I want to take the knife out, and what we're going to do to make this fit is we're going to take the belt loop Velcro strap thing here off. In order to do that, we need a Phillips drive to do that. So we'll just take the Phillips here, see there on camera, we'll just turn it counterclockwise.
I sure hope the lighting's pretty good on here, but this is the best I have for lighting. And the reason why we're doing this first is because, okay, pretty simple, right? Alright. The reason why we did that is because for these holes here to line up, you see right here the eyelet there, and the eyelet there, now it lines up. The same on this side too. Otherwise, it wouldn't have worked. It had been down here, and those really don't line up too well. I mean, I guess you could line them up there, but then it'd be looking like that. It'd be really far down. I don't know, I guess you could do it like that. But it still doesn't really line up as good as it lines up right here. Okay, so before we put this on, we're just going to go up one more notch. There was the first one. We're going to go up one. So we'll just put that back on there. Take the screw here. And the way to do it is just to start out with one. This is hard to do. There we go. Hope you can see that on camera there. Try to get started with my Gerber strong arm. I think it's called the strong arm. Okay, so there's that one side. Won't fully tighten it. Go here to the other side. And it's going to be a little difficult at first, because I don't know if you can see here on the camera. Actually, I'll show you a different angle here. Let me put the screw in real fast. I'll show you what you'll run into here.
Okay, as you can see there, hopefully in the light, there it is. It was originally on this one right here, but we moved it up one. So what that did is it created a little bit more of a flex on this like Kydex material, plastic material, which, you know, it's not bad. I don't know if you can see right there. It's got a little bit more of a flex right there. Which one was down farther, didn't have that much, but that might be fine. We'll see, because this is going to be my new belt knife. But, yeah, so there you go. You just move it up one notch. And now, let's put the pouch on. For the pouch here, so we'll go ahead and unbuckle it. Made in the USA, it's upside down. And what's cool about this is it comes with its own little tin. So you can put whatever you want in here. And I'll have my own fire kit in here, and of course, which you will see in an upcoming video. Comes with the little screws. Okay. Last but not least, so it's pretty self-explanatory. Just take in that original eyelet that the belt loop part was holding on to. Just put your screw in there. Turn it around there, if you can see it. I'm sorry guys, I just don't have the greatest lighting. And then, there we go. Put that on the screw. I just do this just to get them all started. I'll put them all in.
It's not an exact fit, of course, but it's fine. It works just great, really. So there's the first two. I'm going to put the two bottom ones in off camera, and then we'll get back with you. That's all I do.
Alright, there you have it. That is on the SRK pouch, just like that. Now I see it's just a tad bit shorter than what it would be on the ESEE knife pouch that it actually goes with, but that doesn't mean it. I mean, look, we'll put the little tin can that it comes with, slide it in. Look at that, nice solid fit. The Velcro, or not Velcro, but the buckle. Look at that, perfect. I'll put the knife in. And there you have it, guys. That is the ESEE accessory pouch on the Cold Steel SRK. So for any of you that wonder if this would work on the SRK, here's your answer. It will. And it's beautiful. So there it is, guys. That's a beaut. I don't know about you, but I really like the accessory pouch on the outside sheaths. And I'll tell you what, I've searched high and low, low and high, and this is what I found was the ESEE pouch. And I gambled and bought it, and it works. So I was really happy with that. This is a small version too. This isn't the large version. So yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, comrades, I hope you enjoyed the little do-it-yourself. I guess this would be a midweek video, which I haven't done in a while. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I think this pouch is really cool. I really like it. And I'm not going to show you what I'm going to put in it. This Labor Day weekend, I think we're going to do some family camping. Me and Mrs. Angel Survival and Fallon Super Boot. Can't forget him. And we're going to go camping at a state park. And we're going to do a little car camping, a little tent camping. And I'm going to bring this with me. I'm going to try out my new fire kit. And yeah, so we'll get more into that this weekend, hopefully. And I hope you guys have a great Labor Day weekend. And as usual, if you like my channel like me, hit the subscribe button. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you get all notifications. Like, share, and all that good stuff. And we'll see you in the next video. Alright, guys. God bless you. Bye.